everyone, my name is Kylie, here to give you guys an honest review of my new hand massager that I recently got from Amazon. So if you guys are in the market for a little relaxation, definitely recommend that you guys check out this new hand massager that I got. I absolutely love it. It comes with some great accessories. I love how it is going to come with this travel bag or this bag that I can store it in. It is going to be portable, so you have a charger to charge it. And so it comes, like I said, with some great accessories. Now let's get into the usage of the product. First and foremost, my absolute favorite part about this product is that it is portable. So I'm here in my bed, about to relax before going to bed. I broke my hand a long time ago, so I love a good hand massage. So this one is perfect for me. You just have to turn it on, and it is going to have 3 different massaging intensity levels that you can adjust here by just clicking the intensity button. Another great feature about this hand massager is that it is going to have a heat function. It also has 2 heat intensities, so you can have lighter heat or heavier heat. And all you have to do is, like I said, click the button. The only thing that I want to make sure you note about this hand massager is that when you use it, you want to make sure that it is charged, because you cannot use it while it is charging. So if you guys are in the market for a hand massager, or if you're looking to give your a friend, a spouse, anyone a fun gift, definitely recommend that you guys check this one out.